Changing the Facebook profile picture without letting anyone know is a very simple thing to do, and in this video I will show you exactly how to do it. So let's get right into the video. So what you have to do is to tap on the profile picture right over here, and what you have to do is to select the profile picture to upload. So here what I'm gonna do is gonna upload a profile picture from my PC. So just click on the upload photo, and once you do it, what you have to do is to upload a photo. So I'm gonna go for the directory where I have saved the photo that I want to upload as a profile picture. So here I have choose a profile picture that I want to upload. So what you have to do is to make sure that the trim is according to the profile picture right over here, and then go to the save setting. Here you will see that it says your profile picture is public. So what I'm gonna do is gonna go and save the settings. So here you can see that my profile picture is changed. So but how I can manage that no one sees it? First I have to reload the page so that the new post is shown right over here. So here you guys can see that this is that updated his profile picture. All I have to do is to archive this post. So here you guys can see that it says hide from this page. So simply unselect it and then hide this from page, and once you do it, it won't show to anybody. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.